Good evening, everyone. This is Louis from the French Consulate. I hope you're all doing well and you're staying safe and healthy. Tonight I'm here to present you a cocktail named the Sidecar Quarantine Edition. So let's make your night more festive and let's begin directly with Cointreau. Cointreau is a triple sec with an orange flavor made in Angers, France. You can consume the Cointreau for an aperitif or a digestif. But tonight we will use it for the cocktail. So let's start with 1.5 ounces of Cointreau. And now you can use fresh lime juice if you want, or this lime juice from Whole Food. So now let's give it a good shake. So you can probably hear the kids upstairs. They probably know that the party also is coming. We're all stuck in the house, as you know. It's not easy every day. There you go. I hope you enjoy this great cocktail. It is really easy to make. There is only 3 ingredients: lime, Cointreau and champagne. I wish you all good health. Santé!